Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we will see how to straighten and rotate images using Photoshop. So this is the image right here on which we are going to work on. So to start rotating it, go to the crop tool, and once going to the crop tool, as you can see, you can get this angle. So using this, just drag it and just rotate your image to whichever angle you want to rotate it. So if we keep it like this, then once you hit enter, you get your image rotated in the way which you wanted. But if you want your image to be the same as it was before and you don't want to lose any content, so as we learned in the previous tutorial, we will use this content aware tool. So let's check it and then rotate it like this and then hit enter. It will take some time. So this is what content aware made the image as, but as you can see, the image is not perfect. It looks like, glitchy and not so perfect. So I don't prefer content aware in this case, but it's up to you. If your image suits well with content aware, go ahead. Now to straighten your image, as you can see, the horizon is bit tilted in this image. So to straighten your image, click on straighten and then drag the mouse and draw a line across the horizon to which you want to straighten. Once done drawing the line, as you can see, the image gets straightened according to the line on which you drew the horizon. So this is our image and we are using content aware this time. Let's see how it becomes. It will take some time, but as you can see, this time content aware worked well and the image looks perfect and it looks straightened and the horizon is simply like straightened out. So this is all what you can do with rotate and straighten of crop. Let's do it with one more image. So this is our image and we want to straighten it. So go to straighten and select the horizon. So from here to here. So drag and draw a line and this is our image. Now let's just drop this content aware. This is how our image will look once straightened out. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and press on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.